Have you got a website? What? You've not got a website? It's 2022 and you've not got a website. Come on, you need to sort it. You can't keep on giving people your Facebook details or your Instagram, or you need a website. Why do you need a website? Well, because it's not just about pretty pictures telling people about you. It's also about being able to market so that when people come on the site, you can get their email, you can tell them about your offers. It is so important just for survival of your business this year and for the future. The problem, they're hard to make. Paying someone to make it is expensive, and sometimes you have to pay quite high subscriptions even if you make it yourself. So what we're going to bring you today is something called Teleport, which is an easy website builder that is cheap, in my opinion, compared to other providers, and does what it says on the tin. I love your comments. Tell us what website builder you use. How'd you find it? Was it easy, the learning curve? Because all of my videos are not about in-depth how-to. They're all about the learning curve, from starting to making your first website, from starting to using the software you've just purchased. So tell me what you think. What website builder you use, or do you use WordPress? And also, have a look in my description. There is the magic link, clickfills.deals, and you'll always find the best price for the software, and I'll always update those links. Please subscribe to the channel. Really helps me. Takes you one click and it just helps me grow, so really appreciate it if you do click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. But right now, let's get ready and let's teleport. Can't believe I just did that. Jumping in to Teleport. Okay, so here is the start point when you've logged in for the first time, and the first thing to say is I like it, and I liked it when I first saw it because it's simple. I don't want lots of buttons. Some people love loads of buttons, don't they? No, I just want to be able to do what I do. And if you are a business owner and you're not very tech savvy, can you just use this to make a basic website and then improve it as you learn? That's what you need to find out. So I've had a play with a couple of projects, but I'm going to click create project, and it brings up these templates. No, there's not millions of templates, but I actually think that can be a good thing, because I've spent many days of my life scrolling through going, I like that one, but I like that one. And at the end of the day, all of these templates will be changed and customized, so you can make them your own. So let's have a look. If you want to have a quick preview, you hover over it and you can scroll through what that template looks like, and all you need to do is just find quick preview, find the one that you think works for you. Quick preview. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, so here is the website. And just to say that when you first jump into the Teleport dashboard, it does give a bit of a help thing which flashes up and shows you, just guides you around everything so you know what you're doing. But I'll just run through it very, very quickly. You have got your elements down here. So what are elements? Basically, your website will have a homepage, okay? The components of that website and of that page, so things that will appear across all of your pages, will be your copyright information, a feature card, your footer. So all websites have a footer, so there is the footer, you know, with some more links and possibly your address and things like that. Navigation links, the navigation bar. So that's the components. They're things that will appear across the entire website. If you want to add elements to the page, you click on the plus button, and you can add headers, footers, you can add all of the stuff like sections and features. That's how you add them. That's the CSS, which actually I wouldn't worry about, because that's for people who know what they're doing. And here is the asset manager, and these are the free stock photos you can use, but you can also upload your own assets, you know, your own logo, your own photos. So that's basically how it works. And here we have a website. How do we change the text on a website? Well, quite easily. We just delete and type Phil reviews this website builder. That's how you do it. That's how you change it. If you want to change an icon, how easy. So that's a feature card, and you can see that icon is using the heart-shaped icon. If you want to change it, you can change it just by clicking on change, and you can change it to something else that fits. There you go. Very easy to change the icons. Change photos. You want to change a photo. There's the image. We want to change that photo. Change it. Okay, we want to change it to the dog. Can we drag it in? All right, maybe not. Can I go back and undo? Yes, I can. These things are always important. How do I change that to that? Yes, there you go. All right, I've messed it a bit. Can I move it easily? See, this is real time. Let's go back. Okay. So, straight away, I'm thinking it's not a red flag at all. There's nowhere near a red flag. But obviously, so if I wanted to change it to that one, position auto. There you go. Boom. So, I was going to start criticizing the software then, but no, you click the auto button and it automatically puts it in the right place and squeezes it in. So, there isn't a lot more to say about this except it's a website builder. Yes, you will have to spend a little bit more time sussing it out, but if it's your first time making a website, it does look like an easy to use website builder that isn't expensive, and you can do just about everything on it. And of course you can link it up to your website domain name, so that it will actually show as www.filmreviewsoftware or whatever your website is. So let's jump out and I'll tell you my final thoughts on Teleport. Okay, so first impressions, very good. Easy starting point, not complicated. Your first time building a website. Is it going to be easy to do? Click build, pick a template, change the template, link it up to your site. I didn't get into that. Yes. So, value for money because it's not expensive. Click in the link, phils.deals. Very easy to use. Will I be using it? Not at the moment. I've got a WordPress site, but I'm tempted. Should you use it if you don't have design skills and you want to make a website? Give it a try. Yeah, I think it's a good one. And for the price, well, you can't really go wrong. And that is my review of TeleportHQ. Thanks for the old subscription. Please, there you go. Takes you a second just to press that subscribe. I can't do it like all the other YouTubers who go on, smash that subscribe button. But that's what I'd like you to do. And I will see you for another video very soon.